Imagine building sprawling factories on an alien planet, all from a first-person perspective. That's the unique gameplay of Satisfactory. Satisfactory was announced at E3 2018 and has since become a popular game for both single players and cooperative teams. The game's core mechanic is factory building in an open world. The game allows you to build complex factories from the ground up, starting with basic machines and scaling up to massive production lines. You can explore an alien planet while building. Players often start by constructing a small factory, then expand as they gather resources and upgrade their technology. This is called the starter factory phase. Satisfactory is known for its easy entry point into factory building, making it accessible even to those new to the genre. It's all about exploration and managing resources. The game also features elements of combat and exploration alongside factory building, creating a dynamic experience that blends different gameplay mechanics. With over 127,000 ratings at 5.20, Satisfactory has proven to be a hit among gamers and factory building enthusiasts alike. So, there you have it, the unique experience of Satisfactory as a first-person factory builder. What aspects of the game excite you most? Share in the comments.